How to cut cat's nails. Cats have retractile claws, so you need to gently squeeze the toe between thumb and forefinger to expose the claw. Most cats have light-colored claws, making it easy to see the blood vessels and nerves that supply the claw as a pink stripe at the base of the nail, which is called a quick. You want to cut the claw to within approximately 2 millimeters of the quick. If you cut into the quick, the claw will bleed and the cat will experience pain. So be careful. Light-colored claws can be trimmed with one cut on each nail. See Trimming Dog Claws for instructions on trimming dark-colored claws. If the trimmer is placed parallel to the nail, cutting from side to side, the nail is crushed and may splinter. The sharper the trimmer, the cleaner the cut. You can use a nail file to smooth the end of the nail after clipping. This is how you can cut your cat's nails at home. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe.